Hello guys, happy holiday season. It's Aki here. I'm currently on a road trip and I just want to quickly share with you something that doesn't get covered a lot on the DJI Action 4 camera. The question is, can you use it as a dash cam? Right now it's mounted to the Osmo suction cup mount, and it's got a Type-C cable come out from the side that's directly hooked to the Anker 10,000 million power bank as a power source. And I do have the battery inside, by the way. Some people suggest taking the battery out. I just kind of left it in there. I don't think it's causing issue or anything. The setup is nice and compact. It's not taking up a lot of visibility or anything. That's why I like the idea of using an action camera as a dash cam. So if we quickly dismount it, take a look at the setting. Right now I'm using the 1080p 30 fps 5 minutes loop mode. So if I press the record button, as you can see, it will start recording, and again we're in this 5 minutes loop recording mode. So once it passed 5 minutes mark, it will just start overwriting the footage itself, like the current footages. There's a misconception that it will start overwriting other footages that you have saved, but that's not true. It will override the current footage that you're in. So whatever you had in the SD card, it's saved. Okay, so now the recording has started. Let's quickly put it back on the mount. I love the quick snap magnetic mount, and I can just put it back up easy as that. One thing I like about using the Action 4 or any action camera as a dash cam is that the whole setup is just very compact. So here are some footages from the DJI Action 4 being used as a dash cam. Most of them are shot in 1080p, though there are a few clips are in 4K because I wanted to compare the video quality. And honestly, I prefer the 1080p footage with no stabilization. For a dash cam, 1080p is more than enough, and since the camera is stationary in the car, so I don't really need that stabilization anyway. Turning it off actually gives me a wider field of view, which is great for catching the details about the cars around me. As you can see here, the footage is pretty solid and useful. The loop recording feature is a big win because it keeps recording without filling up your storage. I am using the 128 gigabytes SD card here, but honestly, I'm not worried about running out of space. And if I pass something interesting on the road, I can just hit the shutter to save that 5 minutes clip and then press it again to start a new one. Now, why use the DJI Action 4 as a dash cam? Well, I think it's pretty important to have a dash cam for protection in general, especially with the way some drivers are on the road. And since I already have the Action 4, it's a no-brainer to put it to use as a multi-purpose dash cam. Plus the video looks really good. Mounting and dismounting is very convenient because of the magnetic quick release. I've used other dash cams before, and they always felt a bit outdated and very awkward compared to this. Oh, and the power isn't an issue either, yet it does drain the battery pretty fast while recording. But as long as you got it plugged into the car or a power bank, it will keep going without dying on you. At least I haven't had any issue with it yet. Anyway, I hope this video helps. Let me know what you think about this setup. My name's Aki, and thank you for watching.